Hello everybody, got a video here on putting the ends on wires. This here's a pair of cables that I got, and I'm going to use them for something else for on my solar panel hookup deal that I'm doing. But I needed to put eyelets on the end of them. I cut the other part off, the clamp parts, which, let's see here. These parts I cut off of them so I could put these on it, but wanted to make a video on how to do that. You'll need some heat shrink tubing that'll fit these like they should, and some eyelets with the little terminal parts that'll go on the end. And when you do these, you'll want to make sure you kind of measure back on how much wire you need. So I'm going to cut it off about right there. And just twist it and take it off. And it's like, I've got a set like this off of Amazon, and it's got a good assortment in it, and it has the sizes there. The one I'm using is AWG, so, and it's the 5/16 size. I'll put a link to those down below. But just take your heat shrink tubing and put over it, and get your terminal up in there good. And I know not everybody is going to have one of these like I got, but they're really handy if you do. You can use regular crimpers maybe and crimp it down, or take a hammer and a punch into it, but we're going to just do it on here. On this other one, you got a little part you can raise it up in the back. But you lay it down in there, get it kind of centered. Make sure your wire's still up in there good. And you just take a hammer in. Hit it and it flattens it out, and this works really good on these ones. And you just take that heat shrink tubing, pull it out over the end of it, and I don't have a lighter on me. I thought I did. So I will get my heat gun here. And you can use a lighter on these to do it. You can use a regular hair dryer or whatever for the heat shrink tubing. You don't really have to have it, but it's a good idea to put it on there. And I'll put a link also for a heat gun like this. Or you can go to Harbor Freight and buy these ones like I got here. And there's the end result of it. Looks almost professional. But that's how easy it is to put ends on wires like this, so you can reuse them. And don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day everybody. Bye.